So we have a new project to show you in Queens Harbor on Longboat Key. It is a small guest bathroom remodel with large style. The client came in, wanted something a little bit different, definitely a lot more contemporary. Our company had worked on the house a few years ago for the previous owner, so we were excited to kind of have the opportunity to go back in and elevate the design and really add some more to their space for the new owners. And they had seen an inspiration photo online of another project that we have done. So we were able to take that and customize the design and cater it to their space and their design aesthetic. We took a walnut cabinet and we did a floating vanity. We added the marble look tile around the room behind the vanity and all the way into the shower. But the cool thing, or the unique thing that we did in this instance, was it's a three-dimensional tile. So it added a little bit of extra texture to the space, which is nice. And then two, in order to not keep it from feeling too modern and too cold, we brought in different muted color to the walls. So it adds a nice little pop of color to the space, kind of tones it down a little bit, kind of gives it a nice, almost spa-like feel. Another cool element to the space is that we added a semi-recessed mirror that kind of doubles as a medicine cabinet that's lit. So that's a really cool feature to this space that we were able to add in. Being, again, that it's a small space, having that extra little bit of storage is really, really key, especially doing a floating vanity. We love working in Longboat Key, and we're excited to show you our next project.